Hey, Mike Gingrich here, and another Live with Mike coming at you today. Today I want to talk about sticky tools briefly, and just to talk about as we move into 2020 and what's working, what's new in online marketing on the web. You need to think about sticky tools. How sticky are things that you have? So in the background here behind me, I am showing you a app that we built for a boat dealership. I should say boat dealership, boat manufacturer. So this is Barletta Pontoon Boats, their app on the iOS and Android stores, and this was released a couple of weeks ago now. It's live in the app stores. But again, talking about sticky tools, a app is a sticky tool. It's given their user base, particularly dealers, another tool, another incentive, some other way to use their equipment and personalize their experience. So it's got a number of features that are making it powerful for them to use when they're on the go, so they can pull up a number of things, quickly pull up the warranty information. So it's geared to be used by a dealer with potential customers. So maybe they're at a boat show, for example. That's a good use case. If they're at a boat show and they've downloaded the app, then they can quickly go through a number of pieces, right there on their phone, on their tablet, with the potential boat buyer right there, and show them the warranty, their story. You can do the boat configuration tool. There's a build a boat right in the app there as well, and as well, then there's a more information kind of forms the dealer can fill out, quickly capture that consumer's information, send it back to themselves so they can follow up with them after the show. So a key example of that just went. Gotta keep showing you that. So a key example of a sticky tool is a app. So think about whether you have to provide some type of additional value, something that's unique. Even app stores, Apple Store in particular, is requiring that. What is something unique? What is something different? What is a value add of the app versus just the website? So Barletta Pontoon Boats app in the iOS, Android stores is a sticky tool. Now let me switch to the other tool behind me. Actually, two of them here. So this is the new blog post, which I'll talk about now, and then I'll take you over to that site. So we launched a Build-A-Boat tool for a boat manufacturer. Again, this is talking boat world here, but this is applicable to many different businesses. That G3 Boats, which is a fishing boat line that's owned by Yamaha. And they do this Build-A-Boat configuration tool. And our latest blog post at digitalhill.com/blog talks about this and goes into the details on it and explains how this is sticky. So it's allowing the consumer to, maybe from the convenience of their home, laying in bed at night, to take a look at boats and then kind of configure one. I want this size, I want this engine, how does that change the price? I want this package with it, how does that do it? So it kind of goes through details and allows you to configure the boat that you want right there. And so that's a sticky tool. So I write about that on the blog, so you can go there and talk about it. Let's just go look at it. All right, so pulled one up behind me now. It's at G3boatbuilder.com is the domain name, G3, the number 3, boatbuilder.com. And you come over there and you select your model, and you can go through any of the models, and then it talks about standard features, and you can configure all those pieces that I just talked about, and then that's going to change the price that you will see down there. And then you can, if I'm a consumer, I can download that, I can email that, I can print that, I can, have that go to a dealer so they can contact me, all those kinds of pieces there. So you're putting power. When I talk about sticky tools, that's putting power in the hands of the website visitor to do things and to stay there and do that. So sticky means that they want to spend time there. They're gonna, they're not gonna spend a minute on the page. They're gonna spend 5, 8 minutes, 10 minutes on the page, and they're more likely to come back because they want to check that out again, or they want to make some tweaks in that and see that again. So sticky tools are increasing and important for websites today because there's a lot of people are expecting more from your website. They're used to doing things online. They're used to now doing some e-commerce shopping. They're used to social media, which allows them to do things. And so as a business, your business needs to follow suit with the expectations of users on the web and give them more power, give them more tools so that they want to stick around with your tools, whether that's a website, app, software like the Boat Builder, which is a software product. We have a product builder software at Digital Hill that you can take a look at, or whether that's a app like I showed you with the Barletta pontoon boats with their iOS and Android app. So these types of things are sticky tools, and that's helpful to get people to your site and to stay and spend time on your site. So that's what I wanted you to think about today, and that can apply to you in your site. Maybe it's just adding e-commerce for the first time, with your products online. Maybe it's something, like this, if you're a manufacturer in the B2B realm, that you want to think about giving dealers tools that makes it easier access for them. Or, in this case, a consumer-oriented app where you're letting the consumer make decisions online and stay there, do more online along the way. So those are the keys. Think through that, for your site. What's it going to be this year, 2020, moving forward, that is stickier, that is giving people tools, that is giving people access, that is keeping them there online, making their lives easier by providing them some things to do right there on your site. So that's what I wanted to cover today. This was Mike with another Live with Mike talking about sticky tools. So come on over to digitalhill.com, go to the resources, and you'll see this blog about the G3 Boat Builder, and you can go to g3boatbuilder.com to see it in action. And that was the Barletta Pontoon Boats app for the iOS and Android as well. Okay, that's it for this week. Over and out. Take care.